20 to 24 Land Rover Defender 13.3-inch screen installation tutorial. First, unscrew the 4 screws on the driver's door side panel. Remove the baffle. There is a screw inside that needs to be removed. Pry out the baffles on the instrument panel. Unscrew the 3 screws inside the baffle. Next, unscrew the 4 screws on the passenger door side panel. Remove the bezel. There are 2 screws inside that need to be removed. Pry out the baffles on the storage box. There are 6 screws inside the baffle. Take them out. Remove the decorative strip under the screen. Remove the decorative strip above the screen. Unscrew the screen fixing screws. Take out the screen and unplug the cables. Pry out the 1-button start decorative panel. Unscrew the knob plate. Take out the knob and unplug the wire. Start switching cables. Note, if the original car has a large screen, you need to add the adapter on the left, but not for a small screen. USB threading position. Antenna threading position. Pry out the car USB port. Continue to remove the bracket and gear lever behind the screen. Note, if the original car has a large screen, you do not need to remove it. Here you need to move the clips on the original car bracket to the new bracket. Install the new bracket. Tighten the screws. Install the baffle. Plug in the audio box and pass it through. Connect the adapter cable. Install the screen. Next, we need to do audio debugging.
首先进到原车，然后这里没有收到我们的设备，看到没有？对，脖子长按，对，然后注意看屏幕这里，然后长按5秒以上。
The device has been searched here. Click to connect. Go back to playing music. Install the upper bracket. Install the small speakers. Reinstall the gear lever. Reinstall the knob plate. Reinstall the 1-button start. Replacing the display. After reinstalling the upper and lower decorative strips, the modification is completed. Let's take a look at the before and after comparison.